People often wonder whether they have a good case. And really, it's almost impossible to tell whether you have a good case or not without talking to a lawyer because your case is going to depend on so many different factors and circumstances that it's really hard to make a formula that will fit a definition of a good case or a bad case. However, in general, there's two main formulas, or at least two main components to whether you have a good case or not. That first component is liability. And by liability, I mean, did someone else cause the injury? Were they at fault? This means, was there a duty that they had to you that they breached? Was there something that they did that they weren't supposed to do? And did that thing that they weren't supposed to do, did it cause your injury? And if you can answer yes to that, then there usually is liability, meaning that they were at fault. And the second component is whether you are damaged by that failure to act or that negligent act that was done by that party. If you received a broken bone, if you received a torn ligament, whether you received a concussion, if you received some type of physical damage, or whether you received some type of mental damage like PTSD or some sort of other emotional or psychological injury. That is the damages component. And obviously, the more damaged you are, the worse your injury, the more your case is worth. That's how the law looks at your injury. They look at it in terms of severity. And so if there is liability and if there are damages, then likely you have a good personal injury case. Though it's going to be impossible to tell exactly if you have a good case. That's why you're always going to need to talk to a lawyer to make sure that you have a good case and what can be done for you.